Hello everybody. Today we are doing a oil change on a 2017 Toyota Prius. This is a Prius Prime. First, to reset the service light, we're gonna go ignition on, let it go through its warnings and all that. Alright, click on that, clear out. I went to vehicle settings, but to get there, you can scroll left or right through the icons here. It's in the little gear settings thing. From that point, we're scrolling down and go all the way to the bottom. Oops. Vehicle settings, select that. Scroll down to maintenance. And then same thing, scroll down. And then select oil change. Oil change reset, yes. Select that. Reset complete, just that easy. They made it really simple in this model. So, I'm gonna turn the key off here. And this is just validation that it reset successfully. Yep, and we did not get a warning message, so we are golden. It's reset, and that's it.